In this video, I'm going to discuss about the delegates in C#. So using the delegates, we can store the reference of the methods. And if we stores the more than one reference of the methods, then it is known as the multicast delegates. In event-driven program, we can store the reference of the methods and events. So we need the concepts of delegates. So let's create one delegates here. So we can create the delegates using the delegate keyword. And if I type the delegate delegate, this is delegate keyword, and I can create the return type as int or whatever I want. In delegate in, and name I can give the name as my delegate, delegate delegate, and inside the delegate I can give the parameter as text comma in y, and this is my parameter. Then we must have to make the same reference, or you can say the same signature of the same signature as method as delegates. So after this, I can create one class here, class program, and static void main. And inside the static void main, I can create the two different method here, static in method 1, and inside the method 1 int x comma int x comma int y, and it will return the value of suppose int x plus y here. And if I create the another method here, another method that is method 2, and it will return the value of x multiplication by x multiplied by y. And now I can create the one reference of the my delegate. My delegate d is my reference variable, and new my delegate. And if I provide the method 1 as method 1 value here, and if I try to access the result here, int result is equals to d 1 comma 2, if I provide two value, or you can see the two parameter here, and if I want to see the results, then I can type cw and then result, and if I press the run button here, now what will be the output? So this code is running here, still this code is running here, so it will take some time to run the code. You can create the more than one method or two method, or now you can see the output as 3. It means that this add the value of 1 and 2. And if I want to pass the another method here, then I can pass here by using the d is equals to, I can pass the second method, that is method meth to the method 2. And if I want to see the result of here, result is equals to, I can provide the value, that is d 2 comma 3. If I pass the value 2 comma 3, or I can pass the value 1 comma 2 also. Sorry, this is only the result, res result, and you must have put the value same. Okay. And if I again run this press button, then what will be the output? I'm providing the value parameter as 3 comma 4, and the 3 multiplication by 4, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So 3 4 is 12. So in this way, we can access the method 1 and method 2, and we can put the reference of the different methods here by using the multicast delegates. So we can use the multicast delegates using the concepts of, now you can say that if I put the result plus is equals to 3 comma 4. So in this way we can use, or you can say that we can pass the value of two reference variable. So if I run this code by pressing the run button, now you can see only one output, only 15 is my output. So only it shows the second method is running here. So to make the multicast delegates, we must put the return type as void. So I can replace this value as void. Control Alt and just click here, and then just click here, and then just click here, and just replace this value as void. And just remove this code and just type the cw and print here cx comma y. You can just copy this code from here and paste it here, and just type here x multiplied by y. And I can remove this code because it doesn't return anything here, and I can remove this both code here, and d plus is equals to method. And if I want to know, if I want to pass the parameter as 3 comma 4, and if I run this code by pressing the run button, now our code is running here, and you can see 7 comma 12. It means that it returns the value from the both method 1 and the method 2. So in this way, we can use the delegates concepts and also the multicast delegates. So especially the delegates is used to store the reference of the method. So now you may have got little bit confused, or you may get all the concepts clear about the delegates. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.